Hi friends, Namaste, welcome back to Balayogi channel. This is Hariharan here. So today we have an amazing and wonderful person. So his name is Mr. Arun Kumar. Okay, so talking about him, he is basically from Bangalore and he has done YAC course with me in Bangalore SVSA campus. So that is from Swami Vivekananda University, and he is being my good friend, like a brother and a well-wisher. So we have been in interaction for past 4 to 5 years, discussing about what we can do in this field of yoga and the current lifestyle. Okay, so today we'll be discussing, and you can also comment down on the chat box whatever doubts you have or what are the questions whichever you have. So we'll be taking that as a topic, and then we'll make a video on that. So today he'll be talking about what is karma.
What's your question is what?
So
what is karma?
Yeah.
So what do you feel by what is karma? So everyone knows what karma is. So what do you feel?
So I think karma is something like what we sow is what we reap.
Yeah.
So
So anything you do reflects back, and this reflection you cannot stop. It's not under your control. And the problem is, in today's world, when you see how people are living, it is not supposed. They are not supposed to live like that, because their karma should be good, but it is not. Even though they are not killing, even though they are not looting, even though they are not bad people, they are good people. But still, why are their lives so bad? They say normally when you go to poor people, oh, they all are very good people. But why are their lives not good when they are good people? So this basically happens because karma begins from thought. So thought is the entity. You do action or you don't do action, it doesn't matter. You just thinking about it. Thinking bad about something or somebody. Making somebody, feeling jealous about somebody. Just by that feeling, the moment the feeling comes inside of you, somebody will be jealous of you also later. Because it is you and the universe, you got it? I can throw the jealousy towards you, and it is not necessary that you will only throw back at me. Somebody else will throw back at me. This universe, the relationship is me and the universe.
Okay, so you mean by any chance it will come back to you, not through the same person, but it may also come to other person and other aspects also.
Yeah, and the only way to control karma is control the thought.
Okay.
Because thoughts fly. You got it? And at the level of thought only, it is starting. And what we are doing action, it's a minuscule. It doesn't matter. But it's all happening here. And all these people, in their thoughts, they are not good. You got it? They hate somebody. They hate something. You see, normally these kind of people, they belong to some group. Some language group or ethnic group or caste group or religious group. Why are they into groups? So people who are in groups, that means that they are hating the other people. They want to be self and they want to take care about themselves. See, there itself they created a conflict in their thought, in their living. So that is going to reflect back. That is the reason they suffer. So the one who thinks that everyone has to be good, he will always stay good. One who is not jealous of anybody becoming rich, he will always be rich. So it's all at my thought. So anybody is worried about karma, everybody knows what karma is. And what they can do is understand the simple thing, everything is my thought. Reduce the thought. I have only few positive thoughts for life. And do not hold people responsible. Because without we knowing, we feel that somebody did something wrong. But that is karma, he did it. But I will think so much about his wrongdoing. If I feel that it is very wrong, I will go and tell it to 20 people. You got it? And just by explaining his action, I am taking away his karma also. You got it?
Okay.
So without me doing anything, just by talking, I took it 20 times.
So talking about others negatively as a third person is also,
Maybe today I feel in this karma cycle, you see the politicians, even though you see that they have made, billions and billions of rupees, but nobody gets caught and they all are good, We see where karma is not working. But the actual truth is, what happens, in Kannada there is a saying, Mardor Papa, Ardor Bayali. When somebody commits a very big crime, he gathered a big amount of negative energy with that crime. What we do, we all talk about that negative thing and we share little bit. And end of the day, after they put it on the news channel, whole country has taken that negative energy. You got it? And he gets escaped. For him, I think it is good.
Okay.
For the politician who grab it is good.
No, actually, it should also affect him, right?
But you are talking now. Why are you talking about it?
Okay.
If one person has committed a mistake, very grave, big mistake, but 1 billion people are talking about it.
Uh-huh.
So 1 billion people will take one small chunk of
Okay, his negative part.
his negative part,
Okay.
and he becomes free.
Okay.
That is why they say, somebody does anything wrong, you don't talk about it. It's a very much big thing in this culture.
Then how do you put out all the crimes and other aspects?
No, see, deal with the crime.
Mhm.
I'm telling now what happened, you see, somebody came and he did some bad thing. Now you will go on explaining that to 10 people. Now what happened, 10 times it increased.
Okay.
You got it? And where it is increased, it increased inside of you.
Correct.
Now your violence will increase. So
Okay.
why? If you need to hit him, you hit him.
Okay.
You got it? You need to be aware and conscious while hitting him. You are hitting him to correcting him. You are not hitting out of, what to say, frustration.
Okay.
No. You can discipline someone if it is needed. But you need to be more disciplined before that.
Okay. So you mean to tell if you are correcting somebody, correct it and then just leave it. Do not, take it.
Do not expect everything to be at your pace.
Mm-hmm.
You got it? Everybody has his own challenges.
Okay.
Nobody knows what is going on in anybody's heart.
Correct.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So everybody have their own problem.
Okay.
So understanding and forgiving are, so two things are very essential. Understanding this nature of human being, that we all are unaware and ignorant. So when you know that these people are ignorant, you can forgive them.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you don't forgive them, you are going to suffer. You got it? So what you do? Nange bidbek annistu, but neen bittilla. Neen olgade idea adu.
Correct. So you mean we are carrying that the
Yes,
incident is happening once, but we are
Yes, yes,
reciprocating
yes.
it every time we think about
Yes,
it.
yes. And you see, end of the day, you are going to leave it, whatever big fight it is.
Hmm.
But why do you carry forward? Why don't we leave the fight there itself
Okay.
when it happened? Or is there a possible way that we can stop the thought itself to fight?
Okay.
Can we give up, forgive, and just walk away?
Mm-hmm.
Forgive the ignorant idiot who doesn't understand.
Okay.
Well, that is the way, just by your thinking, just knowing that there is karma, it's coming back.
Hmm.
Just send positivity to the universe.
Okay.
Love and unconditionally, you will get unconditional love. And when it comes to limitation, everybody is limited.
Mm.
You are limited, I am limited. So this is the way. If you really are worried about karma's existence, then you keep your thought perfect.
Okay.
Those who can't think wrong will never do wrong.
Yeah.
But today there are so many vegetarian animals in home. They do so much of, what to say, domination on the family itself. But they will feel that they are very good people.
Mm.
But no, they are not doing, they are not understanding. They want to, see, a father should know that if I am having 3 kids, 3 are 3 different ones. A father cannot take a side. Father has to always do the duty of father. But today, because a father does not know what is to be a father, you see many fathers, many mothers, they do not know their role, they take sides. They don't understand their kids and their kids don't understand them.
Okay, that is the reason for relationship
Yes,
breaking.
yes.
All the gap between the
And not understanding is creating lot of problem, no? And because it's an obligation relationship, you have to stay, you can't leave and go.
Hmm.
And you don't understand each other. Just trying to find fault in the other.
Okay. So you mean to tell whether we think good or whether we think bad, it always comes back
Yes.
to the same
Yes.
person whoever is putting the thought.
Yes. You can keep it like that, it's between you and universe.
Okay.
Because we do not know, universe is working on a tremendous scale.
Hmm.
You and universe.
Hmm.
Okay, whoever it may be opposite, mother, father, the dog on the street,
Hmm.
the tree, everything is connected. So what you throw to the universe, it comes back to you.
Okay.
Universe has a very big mechanism.
Hmm. Hmm.
You got it? You will go and hit somebody on the street, some weak person. Tomorrow some other strong person will come and hit you.
Hmm.
You got it? If you would have practiced forgiveness there, somebody would have forgiven you there.
Okay.
You got it? So the strong ones should always forgive the weak ones, even though they are idiots. You got it? Until and unless there is no other way,
Okay.
we have to discipline him now. Until then, we can forgive. That we don't do. We take first eating as the choice, which we should not. We'll create issues and give away. Understanding life is to give away. So these many things are harming me only. As empty I keep my brain, as happy I am. You got it?
So it's good to put on positive seeds, so
Yes,
you get
yes,
back those
yes,
the
yes.
same positive stuff.
Yes. And any negative thought comes, immediately tell your brain, no, do not give me this kind of thoughts. If you talk to your brain 100 times, it will stop.
So you have to stop the negative thought consciously.
Yes. That is the only way.
Okay.
You got it.
Okay.
If not, you will stay ignorant. Now you go and see, it's all stupid fight on the street, but everybody has some reason, no?
Correct.
Everybody has some, they're asking, ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನ ಅವನು ನ್ಯಾಯ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಕೇಳೋದು ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Correct.
He has his own thing. ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಳೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತರ ಆಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. That is how people are. And they have chosen to remain ignorant. So what can we do?
Okay. So being conscious will remove the
This
ignorance.
is the only generation where at this young age we are sitting and discussing these things. Consciousness, where we go, wherever we come from, what happens. So these kind of things. But you see the previous people, they have did all the dramas in the temple, but they have not discussed these kind of things. Maybe the Ramayana and Mahabharata only kept them busy. That only they did not understand. You forget understanding these formulas of nature. They could not understand basic stories.
So what do you think? Why is the drawback in that?
No, that we did not understand the value of it. See, these stories, they created a hero in me, and they told me to live a dharmic life. Dharmic life, nothing but a karma balanced life. But we thought it is useless thing, We all wanted money, so we just gave up all those things. That's not important. So it has vanished. And more our karmas will increase, we will suffer more. India state, see, so many people attacked us. After all those things, India is still surviving only because of the good karma. Indians still believe in good karma.
Correct.
Even today in this country, 80% people are good people. Maybe they will talk all these things inside, but outside they will not do. But in the thought it is there. But if they become pure from there also, country will progress.
So the individual thought is related to the growth of
What is a country?
Okay.
I and you are a country. We got it. If we both understand each other, we both do something together, we create wealth for the country. If we don't understand in faith, we are the problem for the country. We are the country.
So that is the reason I think even Abdul Kalam shared once, it all starts from, an individual, it goes to home, city, then it goes to, the community and then to the nation.
Yeah.
And then to the entire world.
Changing a country. It's so difficult. Why is it difficult if every man is conscious? And if some man is conscious, not conscious, why don't you make him conscious? If someone doesn't know what are the rules of this country, you make them learn the law. If somebody doesn't wear a helmet, you put a fine on him. So if someone is not conscious, teach him. Say what it is. And if he's not a conscious person, then you create a class for him. He cannot come to the mainstream society. Because all kind of idiots and stupid they create such so many big problems. And they are nothing in society. You got it, worms. But they shake the whole society and they go.
So it all starts from a thought and then it goes on to the complete creation of this world around you. Okay.
It all started with me. It will all end with me. God gave me birth, but somewhere I created myself. You got it? I created because of ignorance. I know who am I? I am nobody. But still I have a feeling I am around. You got it? These feelings inside me have created this lie. And this lie has to go now. And you know how difficult it is to give up this lie. Because you are the lie, you got it? It is like almost killing you. Knowing the truth is almost killing yourself. That is not an easy task. It needs a lot of guts to do.
So always it starts from negative to positive and then to the no thought.
Positive.
Many people ask
Positive to empty. You see, when you take negative thought, there are 1,008. But when you take positive thought,
Exactly.
love all, serve all, help all,
it's all.
you have how many thought? 10?
Correct.
It's no over. You leave that.
Mm.
And eventually, how many days you will do that? Then you will understand the limitation in that. That will force you to go to the next stage. That going to next stage is nothing but that one thought which you felt very important. Out of the 10 main thought which you had, you gave up one thought. To go on giving up on one thought. This giving up cannot be done, verbally. It's a metaphysical, physical thing happening. You can't tell it is Dvaita or Vishitta Dvaita. It is something together, I think we had a long chat.
Yeah. So we'll always, come back and then we'll discuss more and, we can also ask the
If
viewers.
it will be better you come, little more prepared. So for the short time what we have, we'll make more content.
True.
Content is money today. Some money we'll get. And what we want? We want to give knowledge and love to the world.
Correct. Knowledge is always power.
Yeah. And we have to ask all the universe to give back us love and what is it? Blessings.
Okay. So, we'll make more videos and then we'll discuss more on this. We'll also see the chat box and the comment sections, whatever the viewers are asking, we'll also discuss on those topics.
Yeah.
So we'll spread out love, we'll spread out all the blessings, we'll take all this love and the blessings also. Okay, thank you guys, have a great day. We'll meet you back in the next session.
Bye.